Hello everyone. Today we will study about one of the most important theory of motivation, Maslow's need hierarchy theory of motivation.
Maslow's need hierarchy theory of motivation. This is a theory which was given by Abraham Maslow in 1943 to study the human psychology. According to Maslow, human psychology is based on human needs, and in order to motivate a person, we need to identify his needs. Only then we will be able to understand how to motivate that person. This theory focuses on the needs as the basis for motivation. It is widely recognized and appreciated, especially in management. It helps managers to identify that need level of employee, which helps in providing motivation to them, because there are different types of employees in the organization. So in order to motivate them, first you need to identify their needs. According to this theory, needs are classified into 5 categories. At the base level, there are basic physiological needs. These are the basic necessities of your life, like hunger, thirst, shelter, sleep. If we talk about organizational context, then which element, which incentive is being given to employees to satisfy these physiological needs? It is the basic salary that helps to satisfy these needs. With the help of basic salary, they can buy the minimum necessities of their life. Then at the second level comes security needs. It includes security from physical and emotional harm, as well as financial security and stability, like job security, stability of income, pension plans, etc. At the third level, there is affiliation or social needs. Now, if a person, he has satisfied his basic physiological needs and security needs, now he want to have someone with whom he can share his feelings. He want to have a sense of belongingness. So these needs refer to affection, sense of belongingness, acceptance and friendship. That means the needs to socialize with others, that constitute social needs. Then next comes esteem or ego needs. That means needs for self-respect and to gain respect from others. You want to have freedom in your decision making. You want to be recognized by other employees. You want to be recognized in the society. That constitute the esteem needs or ego needs. Next one is self-actualization needs. It is the highest level of need in the hierarchy. It refers to the drive to become what one is capable of becoming. That means after fulfillment of this need, you feel like completed in oneself. So these include growth, self-fulfillment and achievement of goals. According to Maslow, generally human psychology follow this hierarchy of needs. That means first, basic physiological needs are to be satisfied, then They want to satisfy their security needs, then affiliation, afterwards esteem, and at the top level there is self-actualization needs. But exceptions are always there. Like for some, there may be self-actualization needs which may dominate over any of these needs. Like if we talk about freedom fighter Bhagat Singh, then instead of the basic four needs, basic physiological needs, safety, affiliation, or ego needs, his need to get India liberated, that dominated all other needs. But generally, human psychology is based on this hierarchy of needs. Generally, this follow this hierarchy. So, we can understand this with the help of this pyramid diagram. At the base level, physiological needs like food, clothing, shelter, which is being satisfied by salary. Security needs, safety and stability. Safety against physical dangers and against loss of job. Stability means stability of income in present as well as in future. So how the organization can satisfy these needs? By offering job security, by giving them retirement benefits like pension plans, gratuity, etc. Third level, social needs like need to associate with family, friends. So by offering the friendly work environment, by assigning work in groups, organization can satisfy social needs. At the fourth level, esteem needs. That means you want to have a status in the organization as well as in the society. And how the organization can satisfy your need, this need, by offering job title. Self-actualization needs. That means needs for self-fulfillment. And this organization can fulfill by assigning challenging work to you, by completing which you will feel like self-contented. Maslow's theory, it is based on the following assumptions. People's behavior is based on their needs. Number 2, people's needs are in hierarchical order, starting from basic needs to other higher level needs. A satisfied need can no longer motivate a person. Only next higher level need can be utilized, can motivate him. A person moves to the next higher level of hierarchy only when the lower level need is satisfied. These are the basic assumptions. Again, I am repeating, people's behavior based on these needs which are in hierarchical order, and a satisfied need can no longer motivate a person, and a person can move to the next higher level only when the lower level need is satisfied.
So now we can sum up the entire theory. The psychologist Abraham Maslow developed a theory that suggests we humans are motivated to satisfy 5 basic needs. These needs are arranged in a hierarchy. Maslow suggests that we seek first to satisfy the lowest level of needs. Once this is done, we seek to satisfy each higher level of need until we have satisfied all the 5 needs. That's all about this theory. Next, we will study about different types of incentives which can be used by an organization to motivate his employees. Thank you. Have a good day.